Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find vapes on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On the browser, navigate to AliExpress website. Once you are in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Here at the home page of the website, you can see the search bar at the top. Tap on it. Now type in vapes and search for it. It will display a list of vape products available for purchase. You could explore through the product, and if you like any product, you can tap on it. It will open the product's page. You can check its description, its pictures, you can see their reviews, and if you are satisfied with the product and you want to buy it, here you can see the buy now button. Tap on it. Again select buy now. After that, you can confirm the order and proceed to the checkout process. That's it. That's how we can find vapes in AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.